boil lemons, and drink it. Just get up. The result is amazing. Lemon is a citrus, provides vitamin C, mainly our body. This time we'll talk lemon, them being employed in a German remedy that was used for centuries to clean arteries and remove bad cholesterol. But that's not all, because at the same time serves to treat arterial sclerosis, infections, and chronic fatigue. Best of all is that being a natural remedy, does not require much money, and in no time you can prepare. So read the article, you find out everything you need. Boil lemons helps clean arteries. Then we will give to know what are the ingredients you need, how you should prepare, and as consumption mode. Ingredients: 4 whole unpeeled organic lemons, 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 4 heads of garlic, 2 liters of water. Preparation method: the first thing you do is perfectly wash the lemons, because it will be used with a shell. Cut them into pieces and set aside. Proceed in the same way with the garlic. Pour into blender or food processor lemons, garlic and grated ginger. In a saucepan put water heat with this liquid for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let cool. Strain and pour the liquid preparation obtained in a bottle or glass jar with a lid, which is then stored in the refrigerator. Consumption mode: drink a glass of this smoothie fasted for 3 weeks. Take a week off and repeat the procedure. It is likely that the taste is not very pleasant. If you find it very hard to taste, you can add a teaspoon of honey to soften. You will notice significant changes in their energy and vitality. Also do wonders in relation to kidney stones and other arterial problems. Healing properties of lemon: colds and flus. The high intake of vitamins helps the respiratory system fight diseases ranging from a simple cold, hoarseness or tonsillitis to pneumonia, flu or asthma. They can fight with lemon juice sweetened with a teaspoon of honey. Antiviral: not only is effective against cold viruses and influenza, but also against intruders. Variety of terpene lemonoid, using a component that consumes itself in the natural lemon juice. Intestinal cleansing: take a cup of warm water with lemon juice. Fasting will help us turn the intestines, improving pumping in addition to clean and disinfect the entire intestinal tract. This therapy also detoxifies the liver.